Hey there, Margaritaville peeps. I'm here standing on this beautiful lot to show you what the Vista views are going to be. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go take a look. For reference, I'm driving down Landshark Boulevard towards the cul-de-sac, and as we know from the plat map, there are 24 beautiful home sites going to be right here. The Vista Collection is a new collection here in Watersound. They do not have these options available at either of the other developments. It's a great thing about being right on the water. So as we finish up driving down into the cul-de-sac here, these next views I wanted to share with you are just incredible. Imagine walking into your house and being able to just look right outside to those beautiful water views. This is a customer of mine who really does have these views out back. So for reference, this is a view from the cul-de-sac, both of the water and of the property. So just take a moment and imagine these views every day from your couch or your bed. For more information, look in the description below and text or give me a ring if you're interested in the vistas. I can give you more details on how to be able to get into one. Give me a ring if you need me. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.